Introducing the Tramontina Induction Cooking System, a practical, versatile, and innovative way of cooking. Energy efficient. Magnetic waves generated by the cooktop heats only the pan contacting the surface, making induction cooking a great alternative to conventional gas or electric ranges. With 1500 watts of power, heat is directly created in the cookware's magnetic base, producing quick cooking. A safer alternative. All the heat is generated by the pan itself, so there is less ambient and surface heat created. There is no open flame or red-hot coil that could ignite fumes or flammable materials. Very portable. This cooktop can be used as an extension of your kitchen for buffets or catering, in dorms, office kitchens, RVs, and boats. The cooktop is especially helpful during entertaining and holiday meal prep. Easy to use. Precise temperature control settings minimize burning or boil over. Easy to clean. Its flat tempered glass surface allows effortless cleaning with a damp cloth or sponge. Start your induction cookware collection. The three-piece system includes a single hob portable induction cooktop along with a premium 1810 stainless steel tri-ply clad universal pan that is dishwasher and oven safe. Tramontina, making cooking more practical, versatile, and innovative.